Well, the Colorado Department of Transportation has been keeping us posted on its I-70B project for months. To prevent a rocky road, officials want to answer the public's question about the impact of the project. KREX 5's Cora Dickey reports.
The Colorado Department of Transportation has an open house about the open road. Each open house highlights the improvements coming to Interstate 70B, especially on the 1st Street and Grand Avenue intersection, and how drivers can plan for traffic. CDOT members part of the project make themselves available to answer questions and alleviate any of the public's concerns.
The biggest question probably is the connection between North 1st Street and 340 in our final configuration. We've clarified a lot of people's questions. It's not as direct a route as what they may have had in the past, but it's a very similar movement without a lot of outer route to get to the same destinations that we all want to get to today.
The project will improve the highway's infrastructure, from widening the roadway to enhancing landscape and lighting.
Although it's easier for CDOT to just pass out flyers saying what's going on, I'll be right back. But having open houses like this allows the general public to know the work that's being done in the streets.
The roundabout system set for 1st and Grand is only temporary. Even with the concrete plan at hand, CDOT officials prioritize drivers' input and observations on road conditions.
If we're hearing a big uptick in complaints about a certain intersection or a certain corner, we really notice that. And we factor that into our understanding of what's happening on our roadways. It's extremely important to CDOT that we know what's going on out on the roads and other places that we manage, and that public feedback is incredibly helpful for us to know what's going on.
The project start date for I-70B construction is anticipated for or near May 10th. All areas included in the entire project is scheduled to be done by March 2022. If you missed out on this open house, a virtual engagement on the project is happening Thursday, April 29th through a Zoom meeting. A link on where you can submit your questions ahead of time can be found at westernslopenow.com. Reporting first on the Western Slope, Cora Dickey, KREX 5 News.